I don't know. What do you want to talk about?
Well, you know, just killing slam pigs. So we got in here about 7:30. Yeah, probably about 7:30. Walked up the hill a little bit. Took us about 30 minutes, kind of a steeper part. Came up here, picked on the ridge, and we saw about 4 does, small 2-point. And we were gonna get in front of them a little bit just to see if there's any deer pushing behind them. And sure enough, there was a decent sized 4-point pushing up behind, and made the call on to make it happen. So got set up and kind of came around the corner, and there he was about 400 yards. Got the rifle dialed in and squeezed the trigger and made it happen. So took it about 45 minutes to make the shot on the buck.
That was the quickest deer season I've ever had. Came up to the same spot that I shot my deer last week, and it didn't quite take as long. We don't have quite the long pack out that we do, but the lucky mustaches worked out, and now I get to shave this damn thing off right when I get home. But it brought luck this time.
It brought the luck.
I think this is the first time it's ever actually worked.
Now it's gonna happen every time.
Now there's a good chance it's gonna have to come back. So pretty cool. Drew got his first 4-point. So
slam pigs, dude.
let's go check it out.